Dog Nation, the time has finally come. The Monster Truck Super King of the Hill finale is finally here. But the question is, which one of these 24 trucks has what it takes to possibly go up against our king and possibly take him out, which is Wreckreational. I hope you guys are ready because the finale of the Monster Truck Super King of the Hill starts now. Kicking us off, we have days 1 through 3 winners. Racing Stripes, Aqua Stallion, and El Toro Loco Ice. This will be a one and done. Here we go. Race 1. El Toro Loco Ice for the win. He's going to the round of 8. Up next we have the Blue Son of a Digger, the Fire Max D, or Earth vs. Surf Max D, and the Green Grave Digger. And go. The Green Grave Digger. Getting it done. For race number 3, we have the X-Wreckers Hot Wilder, Night Shifter, and the Volkswagen Bug. Race number 3, here we go. Of course, it's gonna be a Night Shifter. Wow, that truck is just a freaking rocket ship. Race number 4, we have the Blue Mega Rex, Hot Wheels Racing number 1, and the Metallic Mega Rex. And go. What a race! The Hot Wheels Racing number 1 with the upset. What a freaking race. Race number 5, we have One Bad Ghoul, Got a Dump, and the Land Rover Defender 90. Here we go, who's it gonna be? The Land Rover Defender 90. What a race! Next up we have King Crunch, Avenger, and the Silver Series Crush Station. Here we go. Is it gonna be Crush Station for the win?
Lane 5.
Our second to last race, we have Reptoid, Samson, and Black Stallion. Here we go. Second to last race of the first round. What a race. But Reptoid for the win. He's going to the round of 8. The final race for this first round, we have Pirate's Curse, Rap Attack, and the Nitro Neon's Sparkle Smash. Here we go. Who's getting the final spot in the round of 8? It's gonna be Sparkle Smash.
Winner! Lane
Wow!
5.
Wasn't even close. Truck number 1 in the contender round is either El Torloco Ice, Gravedigger, or that very, very fast Night Shifter. Go. And of course it's going to be Night Shifter.
Winner! Lane 5.
Next up we have Hot Wheels Racing number 1, Land Rover Defender, and the Silver Crush Station. Here we go. Who's going to get truck number 2? It's going to be the Land Rover.
Winner! Lane 4.
What a race. And he's truck number 2 in the contender round. And joining them will be either Reptoid or Sparkle Smash. Here we go. Who's it going to be? It's going to be Sparkle Smash way out in front.
Winner! Lane 5.
And the finale contender round is here. Night Shifter, Land Rover, and Sparkle Smash. And I would say this would be the first truck to win too, but this is a one and done. The winner is taking out our king. Here we go. This is a one and done. Who's it gonna be? Of course it's gonna be Night Shifter.
Lane 1.
No surprise there. T-Dog Nation, the time has come. Our King Wreckreational versus Night Shifter. First truck to win 2 will be your new Monster Truck King of the Hill. King is in the outside lane. Night Shifter is in the outside lane. Here we go. First truck to win 2. Who's gonna win the first race? Uh-oh.
Winner!
Night Shifter
Lane 5.
goes up a win. All he needs is one more. If Recreational does not win this race, it's going to be over. We have a new king, folks.
Lane 1.
T-Dog Nation, we have a brand new Monster Truck King Night Shifter. Let's take a look at the drivers. There you guys go. Night Shifter is your 2024 Monster Truck King of the Hill. I hope you guys enjoyed this very multi-month series, but boy oh boy was it worth it, as we have a brand new king. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, T-Dog is checking out.